Holy! What's going on, guys? Damn it, TV, guys. Today, I want to go all the way to Illinois, beautiful state. Illinois School District was charged with stealing. She committed the ultimate crime against the birds. She steal $1.5 million worth of chicken wings. Guys, this become Oprah Winfrey. Sarah Liddell, who is 66 years old, allegedly began stealing from the Harvey School District during the height of the pandemic. Local TV station WGN station report. The station report that Liddell ordered more than 11,000 cases of chicken wings for her district with the school fund, but took all the poultry for herself. Liddell, who's stealing from the kids. How can she live with herself, guys? This is no joke. Not at all. A budget over $300,000 just halfway through the school year, according to CBS News. This is crazy. This is why Black community will always be poor and stay in this damn shame. Can a person steal $1.3 million worth of 1.5 million worth of chicken wings? Guys, this is crazy. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I appreciate all of you guys from the bottom of my heart. Thank you for watching. You know how we do. Damn it, TV. See you in the next one. Bye.